Page 75, the Cuckoo. In this piece we get the melody in each hand, because most of the time we've always had the melody in the right hand. If the left hand had anything at all, it would be a counter melody going along with the melody. Now we're getting the melody in the left hand. You think, so what's the big deal? Well, because you want to bring out the melody. And hopefully you're getting better now at playing the right hand louder than the left. You've had a lot of practice at it. You have been working on it, haven't you? I know you have. But now you got to play the left hand louder than the right. Switch it around. If you're accustomed to playing one hand louder than the other, this isn't too bad. It might take you a few tries to get it, but it's not too bad. So in the beginning, up here, your right hand's got it. By the way, this is in the key of D major. 2 sharps, F sharp and C sharp, yeah. That's the melody. Left hand's just got broken chords. You know, primary chords in D major, remember those? Well, if you don't, go back and review them, because it is important. Then when you get down to the 3rd line, the left hand gets the melody. For the 3rd line, it's just one line, but it gets it, because in the last line, the right hand gets it again. But the point is, in the 3rd line, the left hand has to be heard, the right hand has to be soft. And then you can let the right hand be loud again. See the retard at the end? When we play it together, I don't do the retard because I'm doing with a metronome. But you do the retard. You just slow down at the end. That's really all it is. Just do the fingering like they've got. There's really nothing tricky about this except when the left hand gets the melody. And when you do this, make sure you get the phrasing in for the melody. So the accompaniment, keep it soft, whichever hands it's in, and keep it all smooth. It's all connected unless you have rests. Since it's in 6/8 time, I'll give us a full 6 counts because there's no pickup beat. Slowly, very slowly. You can speed it up on your own. So we're here, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. Six. Six, off.